Yo! What is going on, guys? It's Ian Marbury back with another video today, and we're going to be breaking down the fundamentals of building and creating and eating a Buckeye.
Hi there! It's been a while. Happy holidays from Marbury Fitness and friends. Today we'll be making Buckeyes, a delicious treat, but there's a twist. There's going to be protein in this delicious treat. Let's get right into it! For the ingredients we got sea salt, confectionery sugar, pure vanilla, salted sweet cream butter, 2 types of peanut butter, and maple syrup. But are we forgetting something? And mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. But we are forgetting what makes this channel a fitness channel and what makes anything healthy. Protein powder. Before we start making the food though, it's important to remember sanitation and always keeping your utensils clean that you're using and keep washing your hands before you work on any food. Alright, so we got, first off, we got a half cup of peanut butter. that's about a cup. I have been making food for a long time, so I can roughly estimate.
Questionable.
That's a cup. You are not good at this. Alright, now we're gonna go into the crunchy. Alright, we're gonna get this off. Alright, so that's like a cup and a half, I feel like. Right? About. Are you eating the peanut butter? What is wrong with you? Go wash your hands. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. That's fuck. Alright, that's like a cup.
Oh my god.
No.
If these crack, yeah, it's gonna be 90% sugar. Of course it's gonna crack. Good God.
Alright, so that's a cup.
So that's hell.
Now we're getting the health portion of these delicious Buckeyes. Gives that nice chocolate spice, you know?
No, Ian, what are you doing? Stop!
We are about to get so big.
Alright, now we're gonna grab the butter. What is this doing here? Alright, so
Hey, you don't do that.
So now we got the butter. Now, to melt the butter, we're gonna put this on the stove. Might not be the best idea. I hope it doesn't. Now that the butter's melted, we are going to pour it into the batter.
It might not be melted, I'm gonna be honest.
It's melted.
Nice.
It looks like. Oh.
Ah. let me mix it. I want to mix it.
Are we gonna hit each other?
That's the point.
Is this creamy? Yes, it's creamy.
Do not stick your finger in there. Why are you here? Why are you here?
Is it creamy? Ah, yes, it's creamy.
That looks way too thick.
No, it's supposed to look really thick.
It looks like ground beef. It actually looks like ground beef.
It does look like that. No, this is.
Now you may be thinking, can't I just run to the store and get myself a pack of nice ground beef? And the answer to that would be no. You cannot. Is Figley getting a little too carried away with this?
It's said to be mixed thoroughly. Just throwing in the container. Not even dumping this in.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. It's okay.
No, I didn't use more peanut butter.
No, it doesn't. We have problems. like I'm proud.
I think we only put in a cup in.
We definitely put 2 cups in.
Yeah,
There was definitely a lot. That's plenty.
Roll the clip.
We got a half cup of peanut butter. The protein powder actually works in this though. Alright, hey, I think we just did something, guys.
Figley, do you mind breaking down? Do you mind breaking down the molecular structure of this?
We're gonna explain the benefits
contraption?
of isolate over concentrate.
Yes.
All right. So an isolate's gonna have a much lower fat content. It's actually no fat content because I mean it's a leaner protein. I mean I forgot. I did it.
Beautiful.
Alright,
so now we have added some chocolate chips to this mix.
I vote no, but
yeah, he's the only one who doesn't want chocolate chips in this. But basically what we're doing, look, they got little eyes. Look at that, look how cute. Look how cute that is. Alright, so now we're going to be popping these bad boys in the freezer for about 30 minutes to have them cool off and get all nice and cold, I suppose. And then we're going to be melting the chocolate.
Okay, we're gonna have a premature taste test because I need to leave.
So it's just a cold version of what
So
you're
this
eating.
is just the naked and cold version of what you will get later.
Oh my god, fuck. That's just...
Does it taste like sugar?
It's kind of bad, not gonna lie, it's not that good.
Boil the chocolate, melt that beef. So now they're all frozen. We're going to be dipping these jounce, as Figgy would say, into the super. Oh, look at that! Look at that double boil. Figley, you're a pro. Gordon Ramsay, sign this man.
Can we get a wink? That looks really nice.
Oh yes, that looks really good. Actually,
Really good.
I think we just need to appreciate that for a second.
Jesus Christ.
Ready?
There's definitely a better way to do this besides, fingers.
Yeah, we don't really have toothpicks, but if my finger burns, I swear to God.
It's probably. I'm gonna be honest. Oh fuck. Don't strand on me. Just don't strand on me.
Oh. Wait, yeah, that was stupid. We could just done that. Alright, hold on. We got a plate.
No, I'm pretty sure we have.
This was poorly devised.
This is really poorly.
This is poorly planned. No, we can't. No, we don't. No, it's too much chocolate. It's too much chocolate. It's not efficient.
A man who knows how to use chopsticks.
Yeah. Actually, both Figleys are single. They're out there, Thomas and John.
No.
Thomas Figley, 5'10", luscious hair. Did not make the basketball team. John Figley, crippled, kind of luscious hair.
Alright, so, we got some.
We didn't have vanilla.
Actually, I think that's for the other recipe anyway. Anyway, so we, after many literal hours of working on this is the final product.
Okay, so hold on, we're gonna explain this.
Sure.
So, with a proper presentation, this could look really pretty, but we get tired.
We got tired. I think we started off with a little too much energy.
We burned ourselves out.
We burned ourselves
Next
out.
time, we'll just use more caffeine.
But what we are going to do to finish this off,
Instead.
to make it nice, is sprinkle some protein powder on that. Thomas, get closer to that. Oh, yes.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes,
that actually looks
potatoes,
surprisingly good.
you name it.
Ready? Oh, God.
Do you want to like feed to each other or what?
No. Cheers. But if you like really sweet things, you want a little fresh bit of protein, do not do that.
By extra, you mean like a very small amount of protein.
Oh yeah, so there's like, no actually, if you ate every single one of these, you have like
a solid 15 grams.
60.
Oh, because we did use 2 scoops of that.
Yeah. So there's a decent amount of protein in each of these.
There's also
And I think-
a strong amount of sugar.
I think honestly, you can honestly substitute this for the sugar.
You could probably.
So
We could. No, you could. I think you could replace almost all the sugar with that.
yeah. So if you want to make it a little bit more healthy, a little less bulk style. You could honestly substitute this and just maybe use like
I would go
cup of
1-to-1
Yeah.
protein to sugar.
Yeah, so like probably 3 cups of protein powder and 3 cups of sugar. Honestly, might turn out kind of well. If you care about presentation,
Don't do that.
definitely, yeah, don't do that. Well, honestly, it tastes really good, really sweet. A little PS here. Don't make these.
Don't do it. Don't do
My
it.
stomach hurts so bad. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I doubt there's many of you left.
Yeah, no, I mean, if
few minutes
if
in
you
this,
watched like all of this,
you're a real friend.
you are real.
Yeah.
So this was, I want to say, a 60-40 bad plan. I mean, the execution was poor. I
The
think that's,
planning was poor.
yeah.
The
videography
videography was so
poor.
poor. Hey, shout out to Cam. Cam did a good job.
Cam
But
is-
once Thomas took over it,
So,
so Caleb did a good job too. I think. So I think it was basically this is all Thomas's fault.
yeah, no. If you have a problem with this, just assume it's Thomas's fault.
I do want to give a big shout out
To Gilbert Rugby,
No,
uh,
to our boy overseas, Connor.
Connor Manis, come home, baby.
We miss you, and we do this for you, and all the rugby boys, all the Lax bros, everyone out there who told me to make videos. This is it, guys. This is
your result.
as good as it gets, right here. So, yeah, I guess just to finish this off, don't make.
Don't do this. No.
We will eventually make a thing.
We're gonna make a real cooking video one time.
Yeah, one time eventually, and we're gonna update maybe this recipe, maybe try to make it a little bit better.
Yeah, we're gonna so there's like about 4 cups too many of sugar.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make it a 1-to-1 sugar to protein ratio. We have more grams of protein than sugar.
Yeah.
Which-
Because we're gonna be honest, we're not gonna eat those.
Those are bad. No,
This is-
there's so much sugar. It makes.
I know I'm gonna get fitness. I don't. Shut up. All right. I don't care. This is what we are. Thank you guys if you're still watching this. I really doubt. I'm gonna look at the analytics and it's gonna be like 30 seconds in. Yeah. Stop watching the video. That's a wrap. So yeah, but if anyone else is actually.
As soon as you see the first like clip of just me eating peanut butter, this probably would.
Yeah, just go. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. This has been an interesting time. Well, real learning experience.
Yeah, no.
That we are not going to learn from.
Oh yeah, no.
So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I need some. Hey, down in the comments below, I need some recommendations.
Be better. That's my recommendation.